Many people don't know that Spotify can be more than just a music app. It can also be a way to make money. So whether you're a music lover or an aspiring creator, there are exciting ways to earn with Spotify. So one great way is by becoming a Spotify artist. So if you make your own music, you can upload it to Spotify through a platform like DistroKid or TuneCore. Every time someone listens to your music, you earn royalties. Another way to earn is by creating playlists. So if you build popular playlists, brands might pay you to feature their music or products. So you could also join Spotify's affiliate program, share a special link for Spotify Premium, and earn a commission when people sign up through your link. Podcasters also can make money by sharing ads in their episodes through Spotify's Anchor platform. All right? So lastly, consider streaming on Spotify's live platform. If you have a big following, you can earn tips and donations that way. All right? So, ready to start earning? Like, comment your favorite Spotify feature, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for being here. Love ya. Ciao.